Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which novel is considered one of Ernest Hemingway's most famous works set during the Spanish Civil War? Is it A, The Old Man and the Sea, B, For Whom the Bell Tolls, or C, The Great Gatsby? It is B, For Whom the Bell Tolls. What geometric shape is a torus commonly associated with? Is it A, donut, B, sphere, or C, cube? It is A, donut. Which platform is widely used for hosting open-source code and version control for developers? Is it A, GitLab, B, GitHub, or C, Bitbucket? It is B, GitHub. What type of observations is the Hubble Space Telescope primarily known for? Is it A, astronomy, B, meteorology, or C, oceanography? It is A, astronomy. What is the definition of a sphere in geometry? Is it A, a two-dimensional circle, B, a perfectly round three-dimensional shape, or C, a polygon with three sides? It is B, a perfectly round three-dimensional shape. Which city is the capital of Canada? Is it A, Ottawa, B, Vancouver, or C, Toronto? It is A, Ottawa. What are the massive stone statues called that are found on Easter Island? Is it A, colossi, B, pyramids, or C, moai? It is C, moai. What does the Higgs boson particle help explain in physics? Is it A, speed of light, B, mass of particles, or C, gravity force? It is B, mass of particles. What song is by Taylor Swift? Is it A, Rolling in the Deep, B, Shake It Off, or C, Blinding Lights? It is B, Shake It Off. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Is it A, Venus, B, Mercury, or C, Earth? It is B, Mercury. What type of cooking method is tandoori primarily associated with? Is it A, clay oven, B, grilling, or C, steaming? It is A, clay oven. Which Pulitzer Prize-winning album was released by Kendrick Lamar in 2017? Is it A, To Pimp a Butterfly, B, Damn, or C, Good Kid, Massachusetts, AD City? It is B, Damn. Which two states border the Bering Sea? Is it A, Alaska and Russia, B, California and Hawaii, or C, Florida and Texas? It is A, Alaska and Russia. Who invented the first mechanical television? Is it A, Nikola Tesla, B, Thomas Edison, or C, John Logie Baird? It is C, John Logie Baird. What role do pheromones primarily play in animal behavior? Is it A, digestion, B, communication, or C, reproduction? It is B, communication. What is the primary language spoken by the Zulu people in South Africa? Is it A, Afrikaans, B, Xhosa, or C, Zulu? It is C, Zulu. What is the title of Beyoncé's debut solo album released in 2003? Is it A, Bidet, B, Lemonade, or C, Dangerously in Love? It is C, Dangerously in Love. What is Challenger Deep? Is it A, deepest ocean point, B, mountain peak, or C, river valley? It is A, deepest ocean point. What strategic resource-rich feature is heavily disputed in the South China Sea? Is it A, Coral Triangle, B, Great Barrier Reef, or C, Spratly Islands? It is C, Spratly Islands. What distinctive feature is commonly associated with leopard's fur pattern? Is it A, stripes, B, spots, or C, solid color? It is B, spots. What is the capital of Portugal? Is it A, Faro, B, Porto, or C, Lisbon? It is C, Lisbon. What type of products is Fendi primarily known for? Is it A, home appliances, B, sports equipment, or C, luxury fashion? It is C, luxury fashion. What phenomenon causing time to pass at different rates is predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity? Is it A, time compression, B, time dilation, or C, time acceleration? It is B, time dilation. In which region is the Yeti, often referred to as the abominable snowman, said to inhabit? Is it A, Himalayas, B, Andes, or C, Rockies? It is A, Himalayas. What is the name of the prestigious scholarly program established by Columbia University for top students in various fields? Is it A, Ivy League, B, core curriculum, or C, honors program? It is B, core curriculum. What is the capital city of Oman? Is it A, Muscat, B, Salalah, or C, Sohar? It is A, Muscat. What is the primary characteristic that sloths are famous for in the animal kingdom? Is it A, loud vocalizations, B, slow movement, or C, fast climbing? It is B, slow movement. What type of cuisine is churros commonly associated with? Is it A, Spanish, B, Italian, or C, Japanese? It is A, Spanish. In which book series does Gandalf serve as a key wizard character? Is it A, The Chronicles of Narnia, B, The Lord of the Rings, or C, Harry Potter? It is B, The Lord of the Rings. What is the primary function of an artery in the circulatory system? Is it A, filter toxins, B, carry oxygenated blood, or C, absorb nutrients? It is B, carry oxygenated blood. What does the Hollywood sign represent in Los Angeles? Is it A, film industry, B, music industry, or C, fashion industry? It is A, film industry. What title did Julius Caesar hold when he became the dictator of Rome? Is it A, dictator for life, B, consul, or C, emperor? It is A, dictator for life. What type of content is Smosh primarily known for? Is it A, comedy videos, B, gaming streams, or C, cooking tutorials? It is A, comedy videos. What is the primary characteristic of alexandrite that makes it unique among gemstones? Is it A, transparency, B, color change, or C, hardness? It is B, color change. Which type of seafood is primarily featured in traditional clam chowder? Is it A, clams, B, shrimp, or C, crabs? It is A, clams. Which album features the song Blonde by Frank Ocean? Is it A, Channel Orange, B, Blonde, or C, Endless? It is B, Blonde. What event marked the end of the Byzantine Empire in 1453? Is it A, Fall of Constantinople, B, Siege of Vienna, or C, Battle of Hastings? It is A. Fall of Constantinople. What position has Recep Tayyip Erdogan held since 2014 in Turkey? Is it A. President, B. Prime Minister, or C. Mayor? It is A. President. What are impersonal constructions used for? Is it A. Expressing personal opinions, B. Describing physical properties, or C. Forming passive voice sentences? It is C. Forming passive voice sentences. What Colombian singer is known for hits like Felices Los 4? Is it A. Shakira, B. Maluma, or C. J Balvin? It is B. Maluma. What novel is No Country for Old Men based on? Is it A. a Cormac McCarthy novel, B. a Stephen King novel, or C. a John Grisham novel? It is A. a Cormac McCarthy novel. What type of luxury goods is Prada primarily known for? Is it A. electronics, B. fashion apparel, or C. automobiles? It is B. fashion apparel. What is the highest mountain in the world? Is it A. Mount Everest, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, or C. K2? It is A. Mount Everest. Which film did Awkwafina star in that features a family reunion centered around a terminal illness? Is it A. Crazy Rich Asians, B. The Farewell, or C. Ocean's 8? It is B. The Farewell. What does the heliocentric theory propose about the position of the Earth in the solar system? Is it A. The Moon orbits the Sun, B. The Sun orbits the Earth, or C. The Earth orbits the Sun? It is C. The Earth orbits the Sun. Which historic castle is located in Edinburgh and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Is it A. Windsor Castle, B. Edinburgh Castle, or C. Cardiff Castle? It is B. Edinburgh Castle. Which conflict was primarily opposed by the anti-war movement in the United States during the 1960s? Is it A. Gulf War, B. Vietnam War, or C. Korean War? It is B. Vietnam War. Which mountain did Tenzing Norgay famously summit with Sir Edmund Hillary in 1953? Is it A. Mount Everest, B. K2, or C. Kangchenjunga? It is A. Mount Everest. Which song is Lena known for winning the Eurovision Song Contest with in 2010? Is it A. Fairy Tale, B. Euphoria, or C. Satellite? It is C. Satellite. What political party did Adolf Hitler lead in Germany? Is it A. Communist Party, B. Nazi Party, or C. Social Democratic Party? It is B. Nazi Party. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.